change. You can resist it, be left behind, or embrace it and move forward.
We're driving it
everywhere.
We emit optimism, not exhaust.
We plug in our vehicles as naturally as we charge our phones.
We don't judge cars by the rev of an engine,
but by the hum of progress. We
are Generation E.
United.
not by age.
but by the desire
We're smart, clean, and safe.
To also be fun, easy,
And powerful.
And our power
Comes from this.
Ultium.
a battery that charges fast.
Runs long.
it fits everyone.
Because when it comes to this all-electric future,
Nobody
nobody
Nobody will be left out.
And that changes everything.